However, I am on a toilet, but that's not why we're here today. We, my friends, are going to learn how to clean a toilet effectively and thoroughly. Let's be real with one another. You don't want to be the house that people go to and don't want to use your toilet because you've got body hairs. We know what body hairs are all over the floor of the toilet seat, diarrhea splatters in the toilet bowl, pee splatters on the toilet seat and on the floor. That's gonna get on the bottom of the shoe and you're gonna walk it on out into your living room. Yeah, nobody wants to do that. So today, together, we are gonna clean the shitter. So let's get it on and let's clean the shitter. While we let those cleaners sit and work for a little while, I'm gonna clue you in on just a couple tips for our next step. My bath mat, I'm going to fold in half and actually use this as a pad for while I'm cleaning the toilet. So much more comfortable cleaning your toilet with something swishy underneath your knees. Tip 2, you'll see that I am cleaning the toilet with toilet paper and nothing else. A lot of people like to choose paper towels or Lysol wipes. I don't like to use either of those. Paper towels are hard and thick and they just smear everything around. It does absorb the cleaner, but everything else, it just smears it around. Lysol wipes, actually, what I have found, it makes the toilet and the floor is sticky after you're done cleaning it. So that's why I choose to use the multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant and then toilet paper to wipe it up. The toilet paper will absorb the cleaner and it'll also pick up all of the particles, the hair, and it makes it so much easier. And what you can do is you can either dispose of it into the toilet bowl and just flush it, or what I like to do so I don't have to keep flushing the toilet is I'll just go ahead and dispose it into the garbage can. So let's see how that toilet paper works. Start by wiping down the handle and then work your way on top of the tank, down the tank, and all the way to the front of the tank. Make sure to then start wiping the toilet seat cover. Lift the cover up and wipe the under part of the lid, and then wipe the part where your butt will sit on. We want to make sure to get all of those butt particles off of that seat. And then we're going to lift up the seat and make sure to wipe underneath, around, and in all the crevices possible. For stubborn hard water spots or for stubborn pee splatters, I'm going to use a pumice stick very gently to remove those stains. As you can see here, one of the most overlooked areas on a toilet is underneath the caps where the toilet seat is bolted onto the toilet. Never forget to clean this. As you can see, it's been a while since these have been cleaned and it's gonna take some time. All right, let's take it down, 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 and around the toilet bowl on the exterior part of it. This is overlooked a lot as well, as pee will drip down
and harden, and it'll be hard to wipe off. So make sure to get that front side of the toilet bowl. As you can see here, I can't get the cap loose to clean underneath it and around it. If that's the case for you, just go ahead and leave it. No need in busting a cap. Continue to clean the base of the toilet, around, underneath, on top of every crevice possible. Get in there, don't be shy. Get all of that nasty, grimy, pee, dirty, icky, bodily fluids off of your toilet so it's nice and clean. You may have to respray some of the areas depending on how long the cleaner has sat. It may dry. So just respray those areas, wipe it, and the toilet paper will clean it up very nicely. Make sure you are wiping the floors around the toilet and behind the toilet. Another area that is frequently overlooked when cleaning a toilet are all of the baseboards surrounding the toilet. I can safely say 9 out of 10 times I go to clean a toilet, the piping from the wall to the toilet is never, ever, ever touched. It's always covered in the toilet paper, dust, spider webs, and anything else you can think of. Hair particles, you name it, it's there. So make sure to clean that very well.
All right, now that everything is done except for the toilet bowl, let's move on to the toilet bowl. Two of my favorite products. This bad boy right here is the best toilet brush you will ever use in your entire life. And I think it's only like $9 on Amazon. It doesn't have bristles. As you can see, it's more of like a puff ball, but it actually gets underneath really well. I'll try to show that to you as best as possible. But yes, this guy right here, it is a must to get, and you will never go back to the hard bristles that don't really clean underneath very well. And then the next one is a pumice stick. You can really get this Walmart, Dollar Tree even sells them, Amazon, no particular one. This one I think I got at Walmart, but this is the best for removing any type of water stain, pee stain, the pink rings that you get, all of that stuff. This is great. You saw me using it a little bit on the toilet seat. Don't recommend scrubbing very hard on the toilet seat as it's not porcelain and it will scratch. I just used it very gently, but just be careful when you use this because like I said, it will scratch. So it's not great on all surfaces. But again, this is a must to remove any type of hard water stains.
As you can see, I'm really getting up underneath the lip of the toilet bowl, as that is where most of your buildup of poop, pee, and any development of mold will happen. So breaking that up and cleaning it with your toilet bowl disinfectant is a must. You may have to repeat this process a couple times, flushing in between each time.
Our shitter is clean. Good job, guys. So let's talk accessories now. How to accessorize your toilet. The must-haves for you and your guests and also the orientation of the toilet paper.
Number 1, always have extra toilet paper readily and visibly accessible. Number 2, have something such as Poopery available to take away that poop smell. And this stuff actually works. Number 3, have some wet wipes available that are flushable for those stubborn, sticky, watery poops. Squatty potty, optional, but also beneficial in a proper BM. It could also be used as a stool for a little one. There is an incorrect way of displaying toilet paper, and this is it. There is a correct way of displaying toilet paper, and this is it. The correct way prevents from transferring bacteria from the back wall to person.
That's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed your time hanging out with me today. Enjoy your clean ass shitter. I hope you took something away from today's tutorial and are able to apply it for your future shitter cleanings. Click that subscribe button to my channel so you can watch past, present, and future cleaning tutorials. Never forget it, guys. Keep it simple.